This is a collapsible service cart. One of my favorite tools to have. As you can see, I can work off the actual cart. It has 3 levels. Having 2 of these, I can pretty much turn them into a bit of a workbench. The casters do amazing on, those rough driveways, even with cracks and everything like that. As you can see, this long driveway would have took me forever going back and forth with picking up tools and stuff, but it takes everything in pretty much one trip. I've used this on multiple jobs, big jobs, small jobs, every job. On this final finish project here, as you can see, I put some blue tape on it, on these little wheels, just to kind of keep most of the dust off as I'm finishing this project here. It just works great. It's super smooth. It just looks professional from a client's point of view. I mean, keep in mind, this tool actually works for anybody, cleaning service, just anybody, even if it's just for paperwork and stuff. I mean, you could put all your files on it. However, I fill it up with full of tools, so I know what 300 pounds it can actually take, and it takes a little bit more, but 300 pounds is what it's rated for. Each shelf is about 100 pounds. I mean, the fact that I've had this for quite some time, so I know the brackets are stainless steel. The body is aluminum. So, I mean, you don't have to worry about any rusts or anything like that. Even on a rough surface like this, as you can see, these brick floors that have a lot of these grouts, it does very well rolling around. As you can see on multiple jobs that I have here, it's done great with the weight. It keeps my tools in tight little areas like this out in the hallway, so I can work from the hallway into the tight area without having all my tools just thrown around. In this particular area, it just keeps it very organized that I can unpack and pack this collapsible service cart. It is just amazing for me. One of my favorite tools. I use it basically for everything. I get compliments from clients because it just keeps everything nice and organized, as you could see here. I do have 2 of them. For a drywall repair patch here, I just work right off of it. That way it only takes one trip back and forth to the truck. That's it.